Hello everybody. A while ago I had a video that mentioned a writer deck bracket system for holding my phone onto the backside of my keyboard. These are those brackets, and I mentioned that I'd like to make a hinged version in the future. You could close on top of the keyboard and not have to disassemble things every time. Well, the future's now, and first step in that process was adding magnets, as magnets make everything better, and the only thing better than magnets is accurate magnets. So I made this bracket here so I could drill the holes, press fit magnets. And then I took this and made a cover shell combo that would snap onto the back here and be able to hinge closed and cover up the keys while remaining enough space to put a phone in the case and close it. Pretty slick, but the problem was there's no retainment mechanisms, and as it is, this has radiused corners, and I didn't quite design the hinge right, so it didn't actually close all the way. So a decent start, but it could use some work. I went on and just simplified the design so that it doesn't have that extra space for the phone in the top part. Still has space if you just want to set it there. It does press the buttons. That is a minor oversight. Presses the buttons when I shove it in there, but it does hold it. And it closes nice and tight. Does not rub on the corners of the keys, and otherwise just protects the keys for transport, which is super nice because I actually use this literally every day. Going back and forth to work, I like the portability, and just I can shove this in a bag and throw it in the car, ready to go. And then of course these magnets, got 4 of them holding the keyboard on there, and they're pretty rigid. Not gonna be dropping this keyboard anytime soon. And that's about it. I think this does what I need for right now, so thanks for watching.